Heidi-ho everybody and Merry Christmas. For today's episode, we're looking at Pittsburgh Christmas bars with our special guest, Santa Claus!
I know him!
Ho, 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 and Merry Christmas.
Oh, he sees you when you're drinking. He knows when you're away. Oh.
Thanks for sharing.
Okay, well, for today we'll be looking at 3 Christmas bars in downtown Pittsburgh and some of the food. The first bar will be the Jingle Bar, the second bar will be the Miracle Bar, and the third bar will be the Harris Grill. So let's get started. Our first Christmas bar will be the Jingle Bar.
Jingle bells? Where?
Are you drunk already, Santa? Anywho, this bar is located at 24 Market Square, where the former NOLA restaurant was, right next to the Christmas market. So let's walk in and see what's happening. As we waltz in, we can see a little Christmas tree, wrapping paper covering all the walls, presents, junk hanging from the chandeliers.
Ooh, look at that junk.
A self-portrait of you.
That's something else.
When you walk up to the main floor, it's a lot of the same thing. Everything covered from head to toe in Christmas lights, wrapping paper, stuff hanging from the ceiling. Over to the left, there's a pinball section. And over to the right is the Jingle Bar. There it is.
Look at that. Look at that.
Looking at the menu for Jingle Bar, we have many drinks going from $10 to $14. Christmas Vacation is $12, Fashion St. Nick $14, Chocolate Scott $10, Sleigh All Day $10, Cocoa Prancer $13, Santa 75 $13, Several Mules, a Maker's Mule $13, Old Smoky Mule $12, Russian Reindeer $12, and different wines and different beers. Me and Santa decided to get the Sleigh All Day for $10, which consists of apple cider, processo, cinnamon, and spice. So let's give this a little bit of a sip. This is a really sweet drink. I can't taste any strong alcohol taste in it. It tastes like apple, cinnamon, and the herb. I think I'm going to give this drink 3.5 snowflakes out of 5. Take it away, Santa.
Shoot. Happy New Year. What? Yeah, I'm gonna give it 3.5 snowflakes too.
Stay with me, Santa. We just got started. Me and Santa are both going to give this overall bar experience 3.5 snowflakes out of 5. On our way to our next Christmas bar, we ran across the EQT Plaza in downtown Pittsburgh with the world's biggest Christmas pickle ornament.
World's biggest, they say.
Who's they? Anywho, let's move on to our next destination.
For our second destination, we went to Miracle on Liberty Bar.
Oh, it's a miracle.
This bar was located at 705 Liberty Avenue in downtown Pittsburgh. So let's walk in and see what's going on.
Woo! Look at that.
Well, deck my halls.
This is one of the best Christmas bars I've ever seen. We loved it. To the right was the bar, and in the back was a seating area with a place to go potty.
Look at that Christmas party.
Miracle Bar had many festive drinks to pick from $6 to $12. Starting with the Christmapolitan, the Jolly Koala, Christmas Carol Barrel, On Dasher, Bad Santa, Snowball Old Fashioned, Elfing Around, Santa Rex, Yippee-Ki-Yay Mother Effer, Jingle Bell Nog, and the Naughty and Nice Shots.
What? Who's being a naughty? What?
Calm down, Santa. On the back was their Take-Home Miracle Collector's Mug.
It's a miracle!
They had a Santa mug that was $19.99, double rock glasses $17, Santa's pants $12, Naughty and Nice Shots $50.95 each, Santa head mug $12, holiday mugs, and a Christmas barrel. These were separate from your drink, and you had to pay extra on top of your drink to get them. Me and Santa decided to sit for a few minutes, relax, soak in the festive ambiance, and watch them make a few drinks before we decided. That was the Christmas Barrel Fa La La mug, and those were the Santa's Pants mug. Hey Santa, keep your pants on.
What? Huh? What?
For our first festive drink, we tried the O Dasher, which consists of gin, vanilla liqueur, marshmallow, cardamom, black pepper, lemon, cream, eggnog, soda. This was super fun to watch being made.
Ooh, nice and toasty warm. I love this drink. This drink was festive, fun, and fiery. And I think I'm gonna give this 5 snowflakes out of 5.
For our next jolly drink, we tried the Jingle Balls Nog, which consists of cognac, cream sherry, almond milk, cream, egg, vanilla, and nutmeg. So here is the Jingle Bell Nog. Let's give it a sip. This tastes just like a regular eggnog with some alcohol in it. The one thing I didn't like, it was also very teeny, so I was hoping for some big festive show like the other one. So I think I'm just going to give this 3 snowflakes out of 5, because it's just your standard alcoholic eggnog. I decided at the end to buy the Santa Rex mug, which was $19.95, because it looked just like my cousin. His eyes, how they twinkled. His dimples, how merry. His cheeks were like roses. His nose like a cherry. His droll little mouth was drawn up like a bow, and the teeth on his chin were as white as the snow.
It's Godzilla!
It looks like Godzilla, but due to international copyright laws, it's not.
Still, we should run like it is Godzilla!
So that was Miracle Bar on Liberty. What did you think, Santa?
I'm going to give the Merry Miracle Bar on Liberty 5 snowflakes, as I think it's the most festive, merriest Christmassy bar that I've ever seen.
Me too. On our way to our next festive bar, we walked through the EQT Market Square Christmas Market in downtown Pittsburgh. There were many shops from different parts of the world to pick up many Christmas goodies. There were also some eateries, such as this Swedish place, that made strudel and pretzels. We decided to pick up really quickly a pretzel, which was $6. There was also strudel, hot cider, bottled water, and hot chocolate. Looking at this pretzel, it was big, warm, and salty. So let's give it a taste. This pretzel wasn't as good as a place like Auntie Anne's. I was hoping it'd be softer and more buttery.
I like me some butter.
Yeah.
It was too salty, so I scraped some of the salt off of it. It was okay, but I was expecting for a handmade pretzel for it to be outstanding. I'm going to give this 2.5 snowflakes out of 5. For our last stop, we went to the Harris Grill. This is a bar and restaurant located at 245 4th Avenue in downtown Pittsburgh. Upon entering the Harris Grill, we are met with a cacophony of Christmas. Bulbs and lights everywhere. The first floor was the bar, and the second floor was the restaurant. Each floor had a different Christmas drink menu.
This first cocktail list, called Tinseltown, was only for the first floor bar. That consisted of cocktails for $11, the Ho-Ho Rita, Jingle Juice, and Strip Mall Santa. Next were the shooters for $4, the Snow Miser and Heat Miser. Then there was the hot stuff for $11, cocoa and tea. And for $8, there was my favorite frozen cocoa, a Ho-Ho-Ho.
Me and Santa were a little hungry, so we decided to march upstairs to the restaurant, look at the menu and the second floor drink list. Upon entering, we have the seating area. Nice paintings all over the walls.
Look at that.
And seating for guests.
The second floor menus were all digital, both the drink menu and the food menu. Looking at the Christmas drink menu, we have the Silver Bells drink, the Pear Tree Hold the Partridge drink, the Yuletide Carols drink, and Santa's Little Helper, and the Figgy Sidecar. We decided to try Santa's Little Helper, because that's just what I need right now.
You need a little something, Santa, I'll say that much. Looking at our Santa's Little Helper drink, we have Belay Bourbon, Vanilla Chai Syrup, and Winter Spice Bitters. I was hoping for more of a Christmas decoration, like a little Santa Claus on a straw, but we didn't have that kind of luck. Let's go ahead and give this a sip. This drink is pretty good, but it's really strong. So if you like strong drinks and you like the strong taste of alcohol, this one will knock you on your feet.
After this drink, I think we were ho-ho hammered. So we're going to give this drink 3.5 snowflakes out of 5.
The Harris Grill menu consisted of many silly treats, such as the Britney Spears chicken tender, Polly's Church basement pierogies, skillet mac and cheese, Trader Park tachos. We decided to settle on the Bao Bao Oh Yeah, which consisted of 2 fluffy little steamed bao buns, a tuft with spicy gauchong pork, with sweet and sour counterpart of pickled cucumber and carrots. Let's look at this thing. Looks good. Let's give it a taste. Wow. These bao buns were a pleasant surprise. They were sweet, tangy, and savory. The flavors were perfectly balanced. Me and Santa absolutely loved them. Right, Santa?
Oh, right. Yeah.
Me and Santa decided to give this tasty treat 5 snowflakes out of 5. I would definitely try these again. That's our review for Pittsburgh Christmas Bars 2021. Me and Santa both wish you a Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Thank you again. Please hit like and subscribe to help us out, and we hope you have a safe and happy New Year. Lastly, I'd like to comment on the clips of A Christmas Story and Elf. I love both of them. They're both well made, and they're some of my favorite Christmas movies. Thank you again.